Giraffe doll novice tutorial period. Let's take a look at this medium spot again. How to hook up spots in this medium. The hooking method for the first two circles and the small spots is the same. We outline the first two circles according to the small spots. Then we will talk about it further. The first two circles of the middle spot are hooked in the same way as this small spot. After everyone drew it out by themselves, then we will talk about it further. Let's do it on the first stitch first. Lift the leading board and stand up one stitch to start knitting the third circle. Make a short stitch in the first stitch of the third round. Knit a short extra stitch in the second stitch. The same frame mother weaves two short frames to form a short frame plus frame. The rule of the third circle is to add frames one short frame after another into a group. Repeat this group 6 times for a total of 18 frames. Let's finish knitting this circle by ourselves. After the third circle is hooked, do it directly at the position of the first frame. The connection is also disconnected when the lead is pulled out. Pull this thread over. The treatment method is the same as that for small spots. Bring this thread to the back. Then just tie these two directly and deal with it. Disconnect directly. This one is ready with medium spots. Then let's outline this big spot. The first 3 circles of this large spot and the first 3 circles of this medium spot are drawn in the same way. Then we follow this middle spot drawing method to create the first 3 circles. Then we will talk about it further. After we have drawn the first 3 circles according to the middle spots, do it directly on the first stitch. Take the collar and pick up one stitch and start knitting large spots. First target. For the first stitch in the 4th round, we first make a short stitch. Make a short stitch in the second stitch. Check the third frame item to add a short frame. This is a set of rules. The rule of the 4th circle is 2 short frames. A short frame is added as a group. Repeat frame a set of 6 times for knitting. A total of 24 frames. Everyone, finish knitting this circle by yourself. After the 4th circle is hooked, directly make a pull critical at the position of the first frame. Disconnect directly. Pull this thread over. Then we move this thread directly to the back. After moving it over, tie the thread directly. Then disconnect. This big spot is ready. In total we are 3 blobs of different sizes. Small spots we need 3. Medium spots need 1. Big spots need 1. So you can outline the remaining small spots yourself. After we all hooked up, then assemble. First sew its head and its body together. When we sew, put this thread on the threading needle, then sew it on top of this, 1 stitch corresponding to the other, about in the middle. Just put the needle in. Then the main body cannot be stitched. Just 1 needle corresponding to 1 needle. Sew the body and its head together. Let's sew it up ourselves. Let's sew up its little ears again. We can use the positioning pin to position it first. Where exactly? Then we sewed the ears on. The sewing method is the same as the head and body sewing method. Just fix it in this place. Everyone sew it up themselves. Glue these 2 footpaths together. Sew the 2 ears together. Just be in the right place. Let's all handle it ourselves. Let's glue some more eyes on it. The head is almost ready. Then well sew up its lower legs. Inside the 4 calves, we all put an appropriate amount of filling cotton into it. We put this calf. Give it distribution in these 4 places. First use positioning pins to fix it. Then we can sew it up directly. If you don't want to sew, let's hide this thread. Then glue it directly to this place. Very convenient. You can make this calf as you like. Let's all sew the rest by ourselves. After we sewed up all 4 calves, this is what it looks like. Next let's deal with this spot and its little tail. We can just glue these on directly. This big spot is where we stand on the back. We apply an appropriate amount of hot glue to this large spot. Glue directly to the back. Then take out this middle spot. You can decide the position of this spot yourself. Stick it wherever you want. And its little tail. We apply glue directly to it. Stick to this place. Then the long neck recording is ready. Very cute. Friends who like it, please sit up quickly.